Hi everyone, this is a box. Are you curious about what's inside? Well, keep watching because this is the unboxing. Alright? Looks and quite heavy actually. All right. This is upside down. So, do it like this. Okay, well then, this is a flamingo. A giant floating flamingo party island. And we're gonna open this box. Alright, this is quite heavy actually. No time to box. Okay, I'm gonna turn it upside down because it's rather heavy and it won't come out by itself. Oh. What do flamingos eat? I don't know. Well, probably I do know actually. Okay. First, a warning, user manual, and what do we have? Ropes, and they're not attached right now, so that's good. This is to enter the flamingo, I guess. I'm not sure. What is it. This is, but it needs to be attached. Okay. So let's open this fully soon. That's for the next video. Thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen. This is Giant Floating Flamingo. The next is the Giant Floating Flamingo floating in the sea.